CRMs have a proven track record of improving the bottom line in a business, achieved by providing in-depth knowledge of how your business works and by reducing administrative work, freeing up your team for more productive tasks. This leads to more conversions and referrals from happy clients who have attentive brokers focusing their time on client relationships. With advancement of modern technology, these products are always accessible, giving brokers the information at their fingertips, allowing them to be accurate, up-to-date, and professional. Our system encapsulates all aspects of your business, starting with your employees. The CRM allows control over who accesses which records, ensuring that when a broker leaves your company, his leads, contacts, and listings can be passed on to incoming brokers, giving them a head start. The client component helps you capture contacts and their companies, such as service providers and other agencies that you partner with. Receive leads instantly, allowing your brokers to act fast and ensuring that the client does not move on to your competitors. The property component allows you to capture the projects you are promoting. And for developers, this allows you to capture all the information on your portfolio. Optimize your marketing by creating listings quickly and advertise them directly on your website and portals without having to manage multiple accounts. You can capture offers and convert them to transactions, allowing you to record all relevant information on the whole process as well as payments from clients and commissions to your brokers. We offer bolt-on services that allow you to focus on your business instead of spending time managing multiple service providers. Our templates are fully integrated with our CRM, giving you control of all aspects of the site and the ability to make real-time changes. We offer a 24-hour customer support channel, putting you in direct, personal contact with our team, allowing you to get the maximum out of our services. Our extensive tutorial video library on our website and YouTube give you short and specific training on each aspect of the CRM. We are constantly innovating and improving our system, allowing you to stay ahead of the trends. Property Nexus, leading Africa's real estate markets forward.